Fundamental of CA toppers. Everyone want to know the secret behind the top scorers in CA exam. But here is the truth. There is no magic formula. The key lies in the set of fundamentals that most people simply overlook. Let me tell you a story. Two students preparing for the same exam. On the left, we have a Rohit. On the right, we have a Arav. Both have the same syllabus, the same 24 hours, but their approach is completely different. The night before exam, Rohit spent hours reading entire chapter, flipping through every page, trying to cover it all. But Arav, he opened his summary notes, crisp, clear, and ready. In just 15 minutes per chapter, he revised everything once again. One studied harder, the other studied smarter. Formula papers. Rohit didn't bother making a formula sheet. He thought, I will remember them during the revision. But when the day came, the formula slipped away. Arav, on the other hand, had a one-page formula sheet for every practical subject before exam. He glanced through it and those formulas laid fresh in his mind. Mock test and mistake notebook. Rohit gave a mock test but never analyzed his mistakes. He kept making the same errors again and again. Arav had a different rule. Every time he made a mistake, he wrote it down in a silly mistake notebook. Every night, he reviewed that list and turning weaknesses into a strength. Now the study table setup. Rohit's study table, a battlefield, open books, papers, distraction. Arav just one open book, a planner, and a peace of mind. He followed a weekly study plan, not a daily panic, and that made all the difference. Now the exam result had come. When the result came, both had worked hard, but only one had mastered it, the fundamentals. Because success in the CA exam is not just about the luck, it is about the clarity, consistency, and control. So the next time you study, ask yourself, are you just reading or are you just learning the way toppers do? Because success doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing the right.